Now I don't think I will ever use these two shades as a blush because this is very shimmery and metallic. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and in this video I'm going to share my thoughts on NICKA Sugar Plum eyeshadow palette. I mean, I have checked it here and there long before using my fingers, but on the eyes I have not used it properly. So today I'm going to create a nice eyeshadow look using this palette, and let's see how much it works. Originally it retails for $5.99 I think, or 4.99 rupees for 9 colors of palette. You get 11.7 gram of product. Price wise I would say it's not very affordable, but it's kind of okay, but in combo the price goes down a lot. So let's see how much I would like to pay for this eyeshadow. So this is how the palette looks like. It has 3 matte shade, 1 2 3. These are the 3 matte shade, and then 6 are the shimmery shade or metallic shade, whatever you want to call it. There is a little bit of kickback on the pan, and the packaging looks like this, very normal eyeshadow palette. This does not have any mirror, and on the back of the pan it says like the corner shades are actually a blush shade and the middle shade are eyeshadow shade. According to them, these 4 are blush shades and these 5 are eyeshadow shade. Now I don't think I will ever use these 2 shade as a blush because this is very shimmery and metallic, but these 2 I can work with that, but I don't know how it will look on my skin tone. So anyway, I'm not gonna use that maybe blush today. I'm just gonna use it for the eyeshadow palette, and we'll see how it works. So first, to start with, this is the lightest shade, so I'm gonna use this shade maybe for the transition shade. Don't worry about the brushes, they are clean. Actually, I have not washed them, but I have just rubbed them on the tissue paper and all the pigments are gone, so they are technically clean. So I'm gonna use these now. If you see, there is a little bit of kickback. It's not very creamy, and I am tapping off excess, and now I'm gonna use that on just around my crease. So the pigment is there for the lightest pink shade that I am using. And it's blendable. I can blend it really easily. So it's nice and blended. Now I'm going to use maybe this shade on my exact crease line, darkest matte shade. Just on the crease. I can see the pigmentation is there, and I think it's blending easily. Yeah, and maybe I'm gonna use the same shade in my outer corner as well. I'm just focusing on the outer corner, and I'm going into the, going like round motion there only, a little bit extending. Now extending it a little more inside towards inner corner. I will blend everything in the end again. So I'm going to take this one, the shimmery shade. Honestly, it does not look very creamy to me, the shimmery shades. Don't know why, and I'm scared that I'm gonna get a fallout from this, but I'm just trying. So these shades are a little flaky for me, you see. With brush I'm not able to get that much pigmentation on my eyes, so maybe I'll just use my finger. Oh, with finger I can get a lot of them, but still it's little chunky. It's not very finely milled, looks a little flaky. And on the the most inner corner I'll use this, or I can use this one as well. Which one should I do? I think I'm gonna use this one in my most inner corner using my finger, because I don't think it will work with the brushes because it did not work. Okay, so with fingers I made it work, but I'm gonna try with brush to go a little inside. Now I'm just gonna blend it all together. Maybe this shade, the darkest shade, a little more here, the most outer corner. I'm just focusing at one place, not moving around. Now I'll just take this brush and I'll blend it everything. There is a little bit of fallout, and I think those are shimmer shades, if you can see. So I'm just gonna do maybe this shade in the inner corner and then this shade going outer corner. So taking the lighter shade first. I think this shade does not have very much pigmentation, but it's quite okay. And then the darkest one on the outer corner. Yeah, so this is what I have. Shimmer shades are really flaky, only this shade does not look flaky. So these two shades does not look flaky, these are like flaky. Maybe they are meant to be chunky glittery shade, but at the same time they do not look glittery, they just look like flakes. Let me try this one here. I think these two shades are better. So you can see how it is looking. So this is the one I was talking about, that it does not have a lot of chunk, and these are like chunky one. On the hand they are swatching really nicely, I mean better. It has little bit of pigmentation, it has quite okay pigmentation, it's not very bad. Metallic shades are very chunky, as I said before. I do not like them that much. Even if they were chunky, if they were like glittery, I would have been okay with that, but they look like a flake and they do not have that much shine. They have metallics, but it's not very smooth or creamy. Only these two shades are creamy and smooth, and the matte shades were good. If you apply it with maybe wet brushes, they will give you more pigmentation, but without wet brushes also, with dry brushes also, they are quite good. Now if you wet the brushes while doing the metallic or your finger, you will get less fallout. I think that's it. That's all I had to say about these palettes. So overall I would not pay 499 rupees or 599 rupees for these palettes, but if I'm getting it for like 300 or something around that in the combo, then I would pay for these, but for 499 599 I would not pay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section if you have experience something else from this eyeshadow palette, or what is your opinion about it. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.